I feel that Tom will do that. I feel that Tom will do that. I doubt that Tom can do that. I doubt that Tom can do that. I didn't tell Tom to do that. I didn't tell Tom to do that. I can't do that, but Tom can. I can't do that, but Tom can. Does Tom wish to do that now? Does Tom wish to do that now? Does Tom want to do that now? Does Tom want to do that now? Tom would be able to do that. Tom would be able to do that. Tom won't ask you to do that. Tom won't ask you to do that. Tom warned me not to do that. Tom warned me not to do that. Tom told us he could do that. Tom told us he could do that. I suspect Tom has to do that. I suspect Tom has to do that. I'm not yet ready to do that. I'm not yet ready to do that. I'm not sure Tom can do that. I'm not sure Tom can do that. How on earth did Tom do that? How on earth did Tom do that? I ordered Tom to do that for me. I ordered Tom to do that for me. Can you and Tom both do that? Can you and Tom both do that? I'd never ask Tom to do that. I'd never ask Tom to do that. I didn't tell Tom I'd do that. I didn't tell Tom I'd do that. I didn't allow Tom to do that. I didn't allow Tom to do that. Did you remind Tom to do that? Did you remind Tom to do that? Tom would do that if he could. Tom would do that if he could. Tom won't do that if it rains. Tom won't do that if it rains. Tom will do that, but I won't. Tom will do that, but I won't. Tom was told never to do that. Tom was told never to do that. Tom was just about to do that. Tom was just about to do that. Tom was able to do that today. Tom was able to do that today. Tom told me you could do that. Tom told me you could do that. Tom told me he didn't do that. Tom told me he didn't do that. Tom thought he had to do that. Tom thought he had to do that. Tom seemed to want to do that. Tom seemed to want to do that. Tom says he'd love to do that. Tom says he'd love to do that. Tom says he'd like to do that. Tom says he'd like to do that. Tom says he wanted to do that. Tom says he wanted to do that. Tom says he needed to do that. Tom says he needed to do that. Tom says he can't do that yet. Tom says he can't do that yet. Tom says he can do that today. Tom says he can do that today. Tom said he'll do that for us. Tom said he'll do that for us. Tom said he'd help us do that. Tom said he'd help us do that. Tom said he'd do that for you. Tom said he'd do that for you. Tom must be afraid to do that. Tom must be afraid to do that. Tom likes the way you do that. Tom likes the way you do that. Tom likes it when you do that. Tom likes it when you do that. Tom knows that he can do that. Tom knows that he can do that. Tom knows not to do that here. Tom knows not to do that here. Tom isn't sure he can do that. Tom isn't sure he can do that. Tom is very afraid to do that. Tom is very afraid to do that. Tom is sure he should do that. Tom is sure he should do that. Tom is likely to do that soon. Tom is likely to do that soon. Tom is busy and can't do that. Tom is busy and can't do that. Tom is about ready to do that. Tom is about ready to do that.